Welcome to My Body Fits. Fancy a quickie? Then this video's for you. Hi, I'm personal trainer and kettlebell coach Mel Anderson, and I'm here for you if you are approaching, going through and beyond menopause. And I know exactly what it's like when you are so out of time, you just don't think you've got time to do your workouts, but you also know how really important it is to keep that mobility and that strength work up. So today's workout is for you, super short. It's going to be literally 100 swings, 15, it's around about 100 swings anyway, that's roughly what you'll do. 15 seconds of swinging, 15 seconds of rest, that's it. Okay, super workout. We're going to crank the music up and we're going to get this workout done today. We're going to do a nice little warm up to start, a little cool down at the end. Please stay with me for those. Let's get started. All right, let's do a top to toe warm up. So let's just roll our head around. So bringing your chin to your chest and then going all the way back round the other way. You can hear that crunching, snap, crackle and pop going on in your neck. Be careful if this makes you feel dizzy. Figure out, like for you, does it feel better to have your eyes closed or open? And take it a little bit slower. I'm trying to get this done really quick today. So let's take our time. Good. Rolling the shoulders. Big. Shrug those shoulders, roll them back down. Here we go. And let's roll them forwards. Big rolls again, feeling those shoulders crunching away. Big circles. So I'm working my way down from the neck, the shoulders, spine, hips, knees, ankles. Let's go this way. And then the whole body. Let's just get that whole body warmed up and ready to go. From here, we're going to breathe in. We're going to exhale as we rotate round, so twisting our spine. I need to come a little bit further forward so I don't hit that wall. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. And again, let's take our time. Inhale, exhale. One more each side. And so we're going to do a little bit standing up, a little bit on the floor. Good. So taking those feet nice and wide, turning the toes out just a little bit. We're going to take circles with the hips. So nice big circles. And then back round the other way. Oh, lovely. Love that feeling. All right, now come to the end of your mat. We're going to take a big inhale as we reach up. And then we're going to roll down. So soften the knees, bending those knees, hands to the floor, walk your hands all the way out into a nice strong plank, so up onto your toes. And then we're just going to rock backwards and forwards. So stretching those ankles, backwards and forwards, just 3 times. Walking the hands back in, reach up. Nice deep breath in, exhale as you come down. Get those hands to the floor. So you can see I hope you can see my toes from here. So we're rocking backwards and forwards, stretching the ankles, hands in, and let's come up. One more, all the way down. Good, rocking those ankles. So on your toes, rocking backwards and forwards. So you should do a lovely stretch at the bottom, at the back of your legs, the calves. And then from here, knees down to the floor. So take your knees a little bit wider here, keeping those toes tucked in. We're going to sit back onto the heels, come forward, stretching those hips out. Now be careful if that feels like it twinges your lower back a little bit. Just keep the hips up a little bit higher. And then we're going to go back and forwards. So here we're opening up our hips. We're pushing up through our arms, stretching through our shoulders, and then through here, if you push your chest down to the floor, you'll feel that lovely stretch across the top of your back and your shoulders, upper arms. Let's do one more stretch. And then back here. From here, slide the hands next to your head, push yourself up, tucking those toes under, hips come up, heels come down. It's a little bit of a stretch there. Walk the hands in, up, and we're done. Right, stay nice and loose. Let's get started with this workout. Okay, I've got my phone ready for a timer. I've got my kettlebell. I've got a nice clear space to move. So we're literally going to do 15 seconds of swings and then 15 seconds of kind of an active rest, right? So I want you to stand and wiggle your legs and your feet. Legs and your feet, yeah, legs and feet and arms. So keeping moving in between. If you want to, I'll show you a nice little reach up, roll down, just to get a little stretch in between. You can join me for that if you want to, either or. So either just shaking it out or walking the hands out up and down. You'll see what I mean. So 15 seconds swings, 15 seconds active rest. Are you ready? 5 minutes, awesome workout. Okay, get ready to swing in 3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, let's have a nice little cool down after that workout. So take your feet just outside of hip width, soften your knees. Let's stretch up as we inhale and then exhale, pushing those hands down, bend the knees, inhale. Oh, beautiful, and down. One more, inhale. And bring those hands down. Now, reach up just one more time here. And we're gonna just roll down to the floor. Mind you don't hit your head on your kettlebell. That might be a good idea to get that slightly out of the way, mightn't it? Okay, so we're coming down. Soften those knees, just relax down. Just stay nice and loose. Doesn't matter where your hands go, as long as you're feeling a nice stretch in the back of your legs there. Let's roll up nice and slowly. Oh, beautiful. Let's roll those shoulders again. So from here, we're going to take, so I'm keeping my left foot forward, my right foot comes back, toe down, heel up. Gently push the hips back just to activate this movement. Then we're going to bring them forwards, squeezing my right glute, pulling up through the right hip flexor. That's a beautiful stretch right there. Hold that there, hands on your hips if you need to balance, or even if you just want to put your fingertips. I always say use fingertips when you're balancing, don't like put your whole hand, because then you're taking away the work from your body. So fingertips, just to tell your brain that you're safe. If you're okay without it, hands on your hips. Let's take that right hand up and over, feeling a beautiful stretch all the way down through the ribs. Let's get some air in between them. Oh, lovely. Good. I'm going to turn around the other way for you. So, oh no, now I need to remember. Right foot forward, left foot back. So my toes down, heel is up. I'm just going to push my hips back just to start that move. Bring them forward, squeeze that glute, pulling up nice and tall. And again, fingertips if you need to, or just hands on your hips. Good. Left arm comes up and over, stretch. Pushing that hip that way. Getting such a beautiful stretch through that hip and such a lovely bit of air in the ribs there, opening those ribs up, getting some space. Good, good. Excellent. And then let's just continue standing with our feet just outside of hip width apart. Bring the back of the hands together, rounding out your back, pulling your tummy in, stretch the arms forward. Beautiful. Bring those arms up. Oh, geez, so good. And then pull in. So grabbing hold of this hand, pull that arm over, push the hips. Oh, so nice. Over to the other side. Good, good. Let's bring those hands round to the back. So clasping one hand or one set of fingers. Don't be fingers like that. Pulling those arms down, shoulders back, chest up nice and high. Breathe. Excellent. That will do us nicely. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you liked this workout, please pop down in the comments. Let me know how you got on. Click subscribe, click the bell, ping the bell, do whatever you do. Let me know you're here. I love to hear from you, and I will see you next week. 3, 2, 1, let's go. That's the wrong it's the wrong bloody thing. Damn. Okay, start again. Discard. Picked the wrong bloody thing, didn't I?